ATD Tools, 2-ton low-profile hydraulic service jack. Comes with ATD's exclusive Swift lift technology, which offers a quicker lift for professional performance. It has a heavy gauge construction that features rolled edges for added strength. It also has an internal bypass valve that protects the hydraulic system from overpumping. The jack also has a full cover rubber saddle pad that protects the vehicle from damage during lifting. The jack has a low height of 2 3/4 inches and a deep reach lift arm, which is ideal for use on low ground clearance vehicles. It has a protective foam cover on the handle to help prevent vehicle damage. The jack has dual pump pistons that are shielded to prevent contaminants from damaging the hydraulic system. The jack has a U-joint release mechanism that provides precise control of load descent in any handle position. It also has upgraded casters that allow for greater maneuverability and make it easy to position the jack. It also meets or exceeds the current ASME PASE standards. For more information on this product, or to see the full line of ATD products, please visit atdtools.com.